Hi, I'm Dale with San Diego Ultralights, where we're committed to QuickSilver weight shift ultralights. We buy them, we fly them, we sell them. We thought it would be appropriate if we made a series of videos we call How We Do It, as we assemble a QuickSilver Model E from the ground up. This will ultimately be a DoubleQuick with a Rotax 447 motor. So we thought it'd be appropriate, since it's our first video and we're starting from the ground up, that we assemble the wheels first. So we have two main wheel and a nose wheel. We have all of the parts here. We have the hubs, both notched and unnotched. We have the tubes. We have the bearings. We have the nuts, the washers, the bolts, and the associated equipment we need to put this together. So the first thing we do is we powder up the inside of the tires themselves and the tubes. So what we're going to do, since we have three of them to do, we're just going to put them in a big Ziploc bag here, like that. And then we have this this powder here. This is a cornstarch, but you could use anything. You can use talcum, you can use baby powder, anything. And the whole purpose is to keep the tubes from sticking to the tires when they're assembled, to allow them to move independently if need be. So let's just squirt in a bunch of powder there. Okay. Shake the bag up. Get everything good and coated up. Okay. So let's set that there. And we'll take our first tire and coat it on the inside. Try to get the side walls as well as the outer wall of the tire. There we go. Yep. Okay. That one's done. Now that we have that done, what we want to do is take a tube and insert it into the first tire here. And then we're going to put approximately 3 pounds of pressure in here, just enough to expand the tire, the tube, just enough to expand the tube within the tire so that the tube doesn't get pinched when we do the assembly with the hubs. So that's the first one in there. Second one, and as you can see, if I tried to assemble this with the hubs, there's an opportunity for the tube to be pinched and therefore causing failure of the tube. So now we have those all down. Now we're ready to assemble the hubs to the tube tire assembly here. First hub we want to pick is the notched hub, so that we can put it right over the valve stem like that. Then we'll take a matching non-notched hub, put it there, line up the holes as best as you can. What we do we put together the bolt with a washer, And then we always apply a little bit of uh, anti-seize so that if water gets in here or something, that the nut doesn't get seized so that we can't get it out, because the only thing you have holding it together is these plastic slots on the hub. So we'll put that through first. Put that on. Push a nut up in there. We're going to use a T-handle here to tighten it up. All right. Then we're going to do the second one. Tighten the bolt up. And again, the third one here. Okay, so then we just tighten them up. There we go. We got them all tightened up. Get the valve stem out there, and then we will inflate the tube. And you want to put about 20 pounds of pressure in there, and that's exactly what we have, 20 pounds. So there you go, we have the first one assembled. Now, okay. There we go, 20 pounds. So now those are all ready to go. The last thing we have to do is put in the bearings. So we have the bearings here, and they get inserted here. We line them up as best as we can. Take the mallet and tap it down into place. We do the other side. One tire done. We're all done. We got the main wheels and the nose wheels completed. So again, that's how we do it. There's probably 150 different ways to do it, but that's how we do it. So until our next video, we'll see you later.